Next you take property number 6. Apply the operation for any row or any column of a determinant like Ri means any row changed by Ri plus k into Rj, or Ci changed by Ci plus k into Cj. It means, suppose you take delta like 2, 3, 1, 2. This is our delta, means given determinant. According to this rule, means ಯಾವುದೇ ರೋ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2 into 2 becomes what? 4. 1 into 3 becomes 3, but you take minus 3. Difference we get what? 1. This is the actually we did determinant. Similarly, by applying the rule by property, by property, suppose you changing the row. Ri means if you take any row, R1, here we have two rows. If you take R1, otherwise you take R2, no problem. Now I will take R1. R1 changing by R1 plus k means some constant. If you take any number, suppose you have rule number 3, so I will take this 3. Rj means if you have another row is what? Second row, R2. Second row as it is. Second row as it is, because we are changing first row. Second row as it is. How to change the first row? First row plus 3 into second row. First row plus 3 into second row. What is the sum? 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Similarly, first row plus 3 into second row. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 3 becomes 9. Again you find the determinant. Means 5 into 2, 10. Product of the diagonal. Product of the non-diagonal, 1 into 9, 9. But you get difference is what? 1. Again both are the same by applying the property also. 3 ನೇ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, 3 ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಸರ್? You take any other number. Okay, I will take another number like 5. 5 ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 5 ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Means we are changing the first row, means second row as it is, 1, 2 as it is. How to change the first row? First row plus 5 into second row. First row plus 5 into second row. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 2 becomes what? 7. Next element. 3 plus 5 into 2. R1 plus 5 into R2. R1 plus 5 into R2. ಲೆಕ್ಕದ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. R1 plus 5 into R2. R2 means 1. This is R1. 5. This is R2. It indicates R1. It indicates R2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 3 becomes 30. Again find the determinant. 7 into 2, 14. 1 into 13 plus 13, but you take minus 13, we have again 1. You ಯಾವುದೇ ರೋ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ we get the same answer. That is shows this property. Or if you ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. R2 I ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 2 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ constant, some constant I will take, this time I will take -2, -2 into first I2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, J1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This time we are changing second row, means first row as it is, first row as it is. How to change the second row? Or this is becomes R2 minus to R1, R2 plus into minus, minus to R1. Second, first another R2. Okay, I will take 1 here, R2 plus 1 to 3 minus 2 into R1 means 2 into 2, 2 into 2. This is R2 minus 2. This was R1. This R1, R2, R21 minus this 2, R1. This is R1. Difference 1 minus 4, we get what? -3. Therefore, enter here -3. And you take another element. This time R2 is what? 2. 2 minus 2 into R1 is what? 3. Then 2 minus 2 into 3, 6. Difference is what? -4. You take -4. Again find the determinant. 2 into -4 becomes -8. 3 into -3 becomes -9, but you take +9. Difference of these two gives what? 1. So ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Okay, this time I will change the first column as a C1 plus 100 into C2. I will take I as a 1, J as a 2, right? Try yourselves. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. First column ಅಷ್ಟೇ change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Means second column as it is. Second column as it is. How to change the first column? First column plus 100 into second column. First column it means C1 plus 100 C2 ಅಂತಿರಲ್ರಿ. C1 first column the element ಏನದ 2 ಅದ plus 100 into second column the element ಏನದ 3 ಅದ. just ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 into 100 300 means 302. Similarly first column next element ಏನದ 1 ಅದ plus 100 into next element another 2 1. That becomes what? 200 plus 1, 201. Therefore enter here 302, 201. Then product of these two 604 and product of these two 201 into 3 becomes 603. But you take minus, difference of these two gives 1. You 100 to very number into ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ we get again the same answer. This time I will change the second column. That also gives the 1. That also gives the 1. According to the property, I will change the second column as C2 plus 3 into C1. 3 into C1. Second column change 1. Means first column as it is. 2 1 as it is. How to change the second column? Means second column plus 3 into first column 1. Second column plus 3 into first column. Second column element ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದ. 2 plus 3 into first column ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. First column ಏನದ 1. 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. Next, second column the next element ಏನದ? So actually ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ select ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 3 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 3 plus 3 into 2. 6 plus 3 becomes 9. That element 9. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು element, second column ಇನ್ನೊಂದು element ಏನದ? 12. 2 plus 3 into first column element 1 ada. That we have 5. Therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಮತ್ತೆ 5. Product of these two, 5 into 2, 10, 1 into 9, 9, but you take minus 9, difference of these two gives 1. So ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು operations row wise ಅಥವಾ column wise ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. You get the same answer whatever we did in the first delta or given delta. So in the next class I will solve some important problems on the base of these 6 properties.